So here we go. This is the outline, and you can see our stakes there. There are your grade stakes. Orange lines are the level line to the batter board so that we get the grade just right here. All the footings on this tiny house are 20 by 24. They'll have iron in them. And we're in Florida, so we got hurricanes. So it has Simpson strong ties that go into the footing. So here we are just finishing and just put in, and we have 1,000-gallon septic tank put in, and here's the new dome system of 250 square feet is what was required. I think that's kind of overkill for such a tiny house. I think it could have been 500 gallon, but that is it. There's the guys just leaving. Have a nice Takekuchi digger. He dug this whole thing in a matter of 3 or 4 hours. Nice compact digging machine. Probably, he said, it was 80,000, so kind of out of my price range though. So there you go, guys. And this is the build. Keep going. But there's your basics of your squared. So we made the batter boards here, and then we have our handy dandy ruler right there. And so you take that, and you want to be right at 8 inches down there. You see that? That's 1 block, 2 blocks, and then the black line right there matches up to the batter board. So there, right there is the top of the footer, right there. And we have 1 block. You can see 2 blocks, and then I don't know if you can see, it's exactly the. It does come out to exactly on the line. I'm trying to hold this for you guys. So that's our simplistic system. How we got all 2 grade with all the footers out here. And so there it is. And now originally calls for, back over there, you can see is the survey corner, and we drew a line, put a line along the front, and then measured back. So this is the original corner right here. And had the power company come out. All power has to be underground now. So there's their stake, and it'll be coming from there. So we're going to trench it in kind of in a, like a semicircle till it comes to right there. And the well is in that corner right there. You see the blue flag. So there it is, guys. The build goes on, and we'll have these tiny houses available too. The package, if you wanted to actually get the design and be site ready for Florida, meeting all codes for very cheap, easy to do it yourself build that actually you actually can do it yourself pretty much. Obviously the septic tank was more than you can do yourself. I mean, you could do it yourself, but it takes so much time and effort, and truly, it's better to let the septic system, if you have to have it done by professionals. This septic tank system was put in for $5,200. Now, I had bids as high as $8,700 for the same thing, so it definitely pays to look around. I found this fellow off of Facebook. All right, and beautiful lot there. Yeah, nice old lake.